Now, if you're going to get the best financial advice and the best financial results in your business and in your personal life, you're going to need probably three core financial relationships and a fourth one depending on where your business is. The first one is going to be a bookkeeper. Now, the bookkeeper is going to focus on the transactional things of making sure that you can get clean financial statements that actually make sense for what is happening in your business. Now, they're going to provide things like, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow, different things like that that are very transactional in basis, and they're going to really help with that on a regular basis. Now, the second financial relationship is going to be your tax advisor. Now, this person is going to be looking at a perspective of, tax situation for your business as well as tax situation for your personal. And what they're doing is they're trying to make sure that you're getting the best advice from a tax perspective. And they're actually working to make sure that you are filing or that your filings are getting done in a timely manner. And then the third relationship that you should have is a financial advisor. Now, the financial advisor is going to look at things from a risk perspective, and they're going to look at, things like, insurance or things like retirement plans. Now, this will have some impact on your business as well as some impact for you personally. And what you want to make sure is that this person has somewhat of a view of both so they can provide you with the best information and insight. Now, the fourth one, depending on where your business is and where you are in your growth stage, your business may need a CFO. Now, what the CFO is going to do is they're going to look more strategically at your business, where they're helping you identify things like, making sure we're improving profitability, making sure that we're looking at cash flow. Do you have enough cash to operate and continue growing your business? They're going to look at things like improving your financial reporting to making sure that, hey, the metrics and the KPIs that we're watching, that those are things that are going to drive the right type of action in the business so that the firm can achieve its goals and its objectives. And so there you have four different financial relationships or four different finance functions. Now, the key to making all of this work and making sure that you're getting the best financial advice is that these four people or these four organizations, they need to have some form of communication amongst each other. Now, one of the things that we do with a lot of our clients that work with us is if we're doing the bookkeeping, we're like, hey, can you give us an introduction to your tax person? And can you give us an introduction to your financial advisor or your CFO? And what we're doing on a regular basis is we're actually feeding that information to them saying like, hey, it is June the 30th. Here's where this firm's financial performance is. Tax advisor, what proactive tax advice do you have for them? Financial advisor, hey, what financial advice, what risk should they be looking out for? Are there any insurance or any retirement plans that they should be considering? And then also communicating with the CFO is like, hey, what information do you need from us for you to provide the firm with the best advice? Now, in other roles where we play both the bookkeeper and the CFO, we're really driving this conversation because the thing about it is all four of these functions all should be working together to give you the best financial advice from all perspectives, from a transactional business perspective, from a tax perspective, and from a financial risk and kind of future planning perspective, and also from a strategic perspective. And if all four of these areas are communicating and working together, you are going to get the best financial advice and likely get the best financial results in your business and your personal life.